Thank you for joining us here at TRG. My name is Dave Foyer, Vice President of Technology, and I'm here to talk to you guys today about MDM, mobile device management. So here are the two guys I want to introduce you to.
My name is Alfredo Machado. I am a channel manager with Datalogic. I've been with the company over 3 years now, and I'm channel manager for TRG, so very happy to be here.
So I'm Jason Pudlock. I'm with SOTI. I'm an account manager that works with TRG as a partnership, and been with SOTI for about 3 years and been in the mobility space for about 20 years. So thank you for having me and looking forward to the conversation.
So let's go ahead and start talking about total cost of ownership. One of the big topics is that a lot of our customers will look for device enrollment.
Customers purchase the mobile devices or whatever device where you can have an MDM. The process of enrolling that device is critical, right? Because you want to be up and running as fast as possible when making your investment and making sure the users can have a functioning device as soon as possible. So having an MDM is going to put that in place pretty fast, and it's going to help put a solution to the hardware itself. And by configuring one device, you can then deploy the rest of them and enroll the whole process within minutes. So in that sense, you're not going to spend too much time and lose productivity by doing the whole enrollment process.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So to elaborate on that, so you got the device enrollment time. So thinking about it from without an MDM and having an MDM, the big difference is the amount of time that it's going to take to configure devices. So you got to think about it could take up to half an hour to enroll a mobile device without an MDM, where once you have one enrolled, it could take a matter of minutes. So when you think of total cost of ownership, there's enrollment time, which kind of is the beginning of the life cycle, we'll call it, right? And then you got to think about the configuration, the cost to manage devices, just on in general, but also asset management, and those devices can be refreshed every couple of years, or they could be refreshed every 10 years. So when you think about it, the cost of a device and the way to manage it is more than just getting it enrolled and deployed. There's a full life cycle that needs to be considered.